Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Dipal Irpandi. People usually call me Dipal. I'm a student at Padang State Polytechnic. Nah, my major is telecommunication engineering. Okay, I will to presentasi the voltage is measured following using multimeter by following the step. First answer to the multimeter is set to the fault. Okay, measurement mode. Then connect to red probe to the positive component. Being measured while the probe is connect to the negative terminal or ground of the circuit or voltage view display on the multimeter screen. Yeah. Using the unit of the measurement is appropriate for the voltage being measured. After using the multimeter, reinsert the red and black prop the third representative place and turn off the multimeter. Final, take a note of the method voltage for further analysis or troubleshooting purpose. Okay, thank you the watching my video. Sampai ketemu lagi.